Hello, welcome back. I'll show you how you can use the Bezier tool in CorelDRAW, a designing program. Hold the left click button here and then head over to Bezier tool. This is Bezier tool, which is used so that you can create shapes or closed curves with curvy lines. For example, this irregular shape that consists of some blobs where the corners are less blunt. Let's create a shape using this Bezier tool. Click on it. If you rapidly click on any area within the document, you will generate straight lines like these. If you click on anywhere within the area and then you hold the left click button on your mouse, you will make a bump, which will make the lines curvy, just like these. And then let's say if you want to make the irregular shape that I created earlier on, you keep on holding the left click button on your mouse to make some bumps like these. You can even make neater curves by holding the control key, drag it like this. The guidelines will be rotated 15 degrees or more than 15 degrees as long as it is a multiple of 15, such as 30, 45, 75, 90. And then you simply do some tweaks so that the curve is closed. Click on the starting point and then drag the cursor while holding the left click button on your mouse to close the curve, and then you've created the shape. You can adjust the curvature by clicking on this one so that when we drag the arrow, the curviness will stay. It will be smooth, just like this. Alright, that's how you can use the Bezier tool in CorelDRAW, which is this one. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!